Hello dear students, welcome back to EduHunt video lecture series. We have discussed chlorophycy, pheophycy and rhodophycy in detail. In this session, we are going to study about the comparative studies of all the three classes of algae. Comparative studies. Comparative studies of what? Comparative studies of different algal groups. Comparative studies of different algal groups. Let's see algal group. Then the class to which they belong, or the position. Photosynthetic pigment. Or let's see the various what we call. Let's see various groups be written in column wise. Chlorophycy, pheophycy, and rhodophycy. Chlorophycy, commonly called green algae. Pheophycy, brown algae, and rhodophycy, red algae. Photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, B. Here they are chlorophyll A, C. Here chlorophyll A and D. You can see the common pigment is chlorophyll A because common chlorophyll A is present in all photosynthetic organisms except bacteria. That is common pigment, common photosynthetic pigment. And in three different groups, additional pigment is varying. In case of green algae, it is B, chlorophyll B. In pheophycy, that is brown algae, it is C. And in red algae, it is chlorophyll D, is the differentiating pigment. Let's see the storage product of food. Food is stored in the form of starch. Starch in green algae, chlorophycy. Here it is laminarin, mannitol. In rhodophycy, It is Floridian starch. And cell wall. What are the components of cell wall? Cell wall is made up of purely cellulosic cell wall in chlorophyce. Here, in addition to cellulose, algin is there. Algin. We have discussed that algin present outside the cell wall. It forms a gelatinous cover over the cellulosic cell wall. It protects the cell from or the body from desiccation, and even if the tidal waves hit the rock also, it may not get damaged because of that hit. ఫోర్స్గా ఇవి ఎక్కడుంటాయి, మెరైన్ స్పీషీస్ కదా, మెరైన్ వాటర్స్లో ఉంటాయి, అలా వాటర్ మీద తేలుతూ ఉంటాయి. వెన్ ఎవర్ ద టైడల్ వేవ్ హిట్స్ ద రాక్ విత్ గ్రేట్ ఫోర్స్, does not cause any damage because of the algin present on the cell wall. ఇది. And then rhodophyce. Rhodophyceలో కూడా సెల్ వాల్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ cellulosic సెల్ వాలే ఉంటుంది. అండ్ రీప్రొడక్షన్కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి దీనిలో ఐసోగామస్, అనైసోగామస్, ఊగామస్ ఉన్నాయి. అనైసో ఊగామస్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ మోస్ట్ కామన్లీ ఊగామస్ అంటే అడ్వాన్స్డ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ sexual reproduction is seen there in rhodophyce. And coming to gametes, flagellated, motile, and motile gametes are there in chlorophyce. But whereas in phaeophyce, here also flagellated motile gametes. Here non-motile because of lack of flagella. These are the features. And even if we see the spores or the gametes, here the gametes have 2 flagella, sometimes more than 2 flagella that are anteriorly inserted. In this case, in phaeophyce, 2 or more flagella, usually 2 flagella are present, they are laterally inserted. In this case, totally the flagella are absent. These are the differentiating features of the 3 classes, that is 3 groups of algae: chlorophyce green algae, phaeophyce brown algae, and rhodophyce red algae. These are the differentiating features and the comparative studies of all the 3 algal groups. If we see the examples, examples is not a difference, but just to see the common examples. Chlorophyce, Chlamydomonas is a single cellular unicellular form, and Volvox is a colonial form. Spirogyra is a filamentous form. Spirogyra, Ulothrix, all these examples are seen in chlorophyce. In case of phaeophyce, that is brown algae, the members are sargassum, ectocarpus, are the even dictyota, fucus, ectocarpus, sargassum are phaeophycean members, and they are called, and they occur mostly in marine exclusively. Most of the species, more than 90% of the members, they occur in marine waters, and these are called kelps antam, kalupu, samudrapu kalupu మొక్కలు అంటాం. ఎలా అయితే మనకి వీడ్స్ ఉంటాయో లైక్ దట్, these are called kelps. And in rhodophyce, examples are the freshwater form Batrachospermum, and other examples are Just now we have seen that the Polysiphonia and Porphyra we have seen, Batrachospermum, freshwater species we have seen. These are the examples of the red algae group. I hope you have understood and remember well, because I have mentioned each and every point twice or thrice. By explaining these things in repetition way, you will try to get knowledge on the concept clearly. So this may help you for your further studies, because if there are so many classes, like if you read the classification, what kind of reading helps you? Here, the comparative studies helps you to understand better and even to remember better. ఎప్పుడైతే క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఉందో, క్లాసిఫికేషన్లో రకరకాల క్లాసెస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, రకరకాల గ్రూప్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, గ్రూప్ని ఫస్ట్ ఇండివిజువల్గా చదవండి అండ్ దెన్ కంపారిటివ్ స్టడీస్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ place the characters or the differentiating features and sometimes the comparison, that is the common features, in a tabular form, if you make a table with the available data, it will be more helpful for you to remember. That is the tip for you. This kind of studies help you to remember better, because I have written this in green color because it is a green algae, Chlorophyceae green algae, Phaeophyceae brown algae, Rhodophyceae red algae. If possible, you also try to make a table using different colorful sketches and make a colorful table, and also learn properly and learn by repeating the words, repeating whatever we call, whatever may be the concept. Repetition helps you to understand well, and also repetition helps you to remember well. So this boosts your score. So I hope you all follow me, and all the best for your future examination.